Are you facing challenges with setting up an online funnel? I get it, funnels can be confusing. This has caused a head spin with many business owners. However, it doesn't have to be. While the online sales funnels can involve many moving pieces, in reality, they don't need to be complicated. In this video, I will share an easy online funnel plan to kickstart your funnel journey. Using this proven and cost-effective plan will help to get you started. Hi there, welcome to the Lifestyle Freedom. If you want to start creating online funnels with tested and proven ideas, you'll love this cost-effective plan to get started quickly. This plan enables you to build your list, generate leads, and promote your offers. You'll also see how these plans work in a real-life scenario, so keep watching, which will also be demonstrated later in this video. If the points just discussed resonate with where you are, I want to help you start your online funnel journey. I will break the plan down and show you all the critical elements so that you can easily set up an online funnel, which will also allow you to build on it to scale your business in the future. Before you build your online sales funnel, ask yourself what the goal is. For example, what will your prospects do when they reach your online funnel? Will they buy something? Register with an email or download some resources like a report, guide, or ebook? As mentioned, the first step in any plan is to define goals. Consequently, you must set measurement criteria such as conversion rate to know if you accomplished the objectives outlined. Next, let's look at an example of an online sales funnel that you probably have already encountered in one of your online journeys. In the past, if you have opted in for a free offer, purchased an online or physical product, then the process you've encountered is an online sales funnel. This example is one of the online sales funnels by Ted McGrath Brands. In this case, the offer is 3 highest converting ad templates, and it also illustrates what makes a successful landing page that drives conversions. Let us check what best practices are applied in this example. Colors are vibrant and work well. The landing page is clean, uncluttered, and with minimal text. The value proposition is articulated. It contains social proof which boosts credibility. Includes a clear call to action. Now, let's discuss the plan by breaking it down into the essential steps of the funnel. So, here are the 3 steps that you first ought to concentrate on. Landing page. Thank you page. Email delivering the lead magnet. Step 1, landing page. Your landing page constitutes the first page in your funnel. It is designed to get the prospect to take action. Therefore, you will want to ensure that a high conversion rate occurs at this point. In essence, your prospect's journey to your funnel entirely depends on your landing page. The following are the essential elements of a converting page. The headline is vital because on average, 5 times as many people read the headlines as the body copy. When you have written your headline, you have spent 80 cents out of your dollar. A lead magnet is something you can trade for the contact information of a prospect, usually an email address. Usually, a free report or study guide given in PDF format is the most popular lead magnet you see. Nevertheless, you can offer several other lead magnets in different forms. Bullet points of benefits. You will need to give your prospects convincing reasons to download and use your lead magnet. The number of leads you produce would be linked directly to the lead magnet's benefits. Think ultra-specific to help provide quick wins to your prospects. The best lead magnets are what your prospects want. As a result, your leads will require less compelling. Therefore, ensure to find out what your customers need and offer it instead of attempting to build what they might like. Social proof is the positive influence that is generated when people find out that everybody's doing it. Building social proof into your offer in the form of testimonials, reviews, or trust seals is a great way to generate interest, increase credibility, and drive more conversions. A call to action is an invitation to the prospect to take the desired action. In essence, it provides clear guidance and directs lead towards the sales funnel journey. Therefore, the prospective client is asked what to do and where to go next. Also, compelling call to action eliminates confusion and enables your website visitor to take appropriate next steps. This may be to download a resource, book a call, or read a particular post. Step 2, Thank you page. A thank you page is the next stage of your online funnel to which someone is redirected after they've filled out a form to download the lead magnet offer. On this page, you provide information regarding the delivery of the offer promised on the landing page, such as sharing the instructions to access the lead magnet. Most importantly, it is the next opportunity to nurture your lead towards the bottom of the sales funnel. For example, if you are using paid traffic to drive leads to your landing page, hence, it makes sense to recoup your costs by promoting offers, also known as self-liquidating offers. Such an offer is usually a low-ticket item that covers your ad costs and turns your new subscribers into paying customers. Step 3: Email Sequence. Your email sequence is the third step in your simple sales funnel, which delivers the promised offer from the landing page. This sequence aims to nurture and build a relationship with your new and existing subscribers. You implement this step with a collection of pre-scheduled automatic emails inside your email management system, which sends them automatically. This system saves you a lot of time, effort, and allows you to follow up with your subscribers and provide value-added content. In essence, your nurture sequence aims to, ultimately, convert your prospects to paying and repeat customers. Therefore, email content will depend upon your lead's traffic temperature, which fundamentally means where they are currently in the sales funnel journey. That's it for this video. I hope you had some value and insights into how to create your online sales funnel plan in an easy way possible. If you learned something new from this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Moreover, if you want exclusive access to more digital marketing resources, you can sign up at www.thelifestylefreedom.com. It's free. Also, don't forget to check out the other videos on this channel, as well as the resources in the description. Lastly, which concept from this video are you going to try first or focus on your marketing? Let me know by leaving a comment.